New York City in October is a captivating experience like no other. As summer fades, a refreshing autumn breeze sweeps through the streets, and the city bursts into a vibrant tapestry of colors. With ideal weather, it's the perfect time for outdoor exploration and iconic landmark visits, all without the summer crowds. This month, the city is abuzz with major events like Comic-Con and Oktoberfest. But there's more to explore. What makes October in New York truly special is the Halloween season, celebrated with gusto throughout the city. You'll encounter spooky decorations, themed events, and haunted attractions. The crowning jewel is the Village Halloween Parade in Greenwich Village, a mesmerizing spectacle of creativity and Halloween spirit. Join us on a journey through the city's enchanting streets, where autumn in New York's beauty and Halloween's excitement converge in a bustling metropolis like no other, starting with the best Instagram moment of the season: the Pumpkin Arch. Autumn's arrival in the city is heralded by the much-anticipated return of the renowned Pumpkin Arch to the Heineken River deck at Pier 17. As fall approaches, the city prepares to embrace the spirit of the season with a delightful array of pumpkin displays. Among these, the annual Pumpkin Arch display at the Seaport, nestled in downtown Manhattan near the East River, promises to be a standout. The Seaport's representative has confirmed the grand unveiling later in the season, promising a picturesque backdrop with the Brooklyn Bridge perfectly framed by the massive arch. Last year's installation, reaching an impressive 10 feet into the air, was crafted from hundreds of individual pumpkins, creating a truly magical sight, especially when illuminated at night. Anticipation is high for its return on the Heineken River deck at Pier 17, where the East River meets Beekman and South Street. Fall Foliage Cruises along the Hudson River are a sought-after seasonal experience, particularly in New York's Hudson Valley. These cruises offer a picturesque way to witness the vibrant transformation of autumn foliage, with panoramic views of the riverbanks adorned in red, orange, and yellow hues. Passengers enjoy a leisurely and comfortable journey, often with amenities like onboard dining, live entertainment, and informative narration about the region's history and ecology. These cruises provide a memorable and relaxing way to savor the natural beauty during autumn in New York, attracting both locals and tourists seeking an authentic fall experience. International Taco Day is a celebration of one of the world's most beloved and versatile foods, the taco. This unofficial food holiday takes place on October 4th each year, and it's a day when people around the world indulge in their favorite taco creations. Many restaurants and food establishments offer special promotions, discounts, or unique taco creations to celebrate the occasion. It's a day when taco enthusiasts and foodies alike come together to enjoy and explore the diverse flavors and variations of this iconic dish. While International Taco Day is not an official holiday, it has gained popularity over the years as tacos have become a global culinary sensation. It's an excellent opportunity for taco lovers to savor their favorite tacos or try something new from different cuisines, celebrating the delicious and diverse world of tacos. The New Yorker Festival is an annual cultural event hosted by the New Yorker magazine, known for its diverse and engaging program featuring prominent figures from various fields. The festival typically spans a weekend, offering a wide range of events, including panel discussions, interviews, film screenings, live performances, and more. At the New Yorker Festival, attendees have the opportunity to engage with renowned authors, journalists, actors, musicians, artists, and thinkers who share their insights, perspectives, and expertise on a myriad of topics. The festival often covers current events, politics, literature, arts, entertainment, and social issues. It provides a platform for intellectual discourse and creative expression, attracting a diverse audience eager to explore thought-provoking discussions and artistic performances. Next up is for the Java lovers. The New York Coffee Festival is an annual celebration of all things coffee, attracting aficionados, professionals, and curious coffee lovers. This weekend event, taking place on October 6th through the 8th, offers a diverse array of coffee-related experiences. Attendees can indulge in coffee tastings, exploring a wide range of specialty brews from both local and international roasters. The festival features barista competitions, showcasing latte art and brewing skills, while also offering educational workshops and seminars led by coffee experts. Visitors can immerse themselves in coffee culture through art installations, exhibitions, and interactive displays. Beyond coffee, there are gourmet food options and live music performances. The festival also provides opportunities to discover and purchase coffee equipment and accessories. It's a vibrant celebration of the coffee world in New York City and beyond, ideal for those seeking to deepen their coffee knowledge or simply savor exceptional brews. For those who prefer something a little stronger than caffeine, we have something for you too. The New York City Wine and Food Festival is a prestigious culinary event with a history dating back to 2007. Held on October 12th through the 15th, it features an impressive lineup of celebrity chefs, renowned restaurants, and food enthusiasts. The festival spans various venues across the city, showcasing diverse culinary experiences. Attendees can enjoy cooking demonstrations, tastings, wine seminars, mixology classes, and more. The festival's celebrity chefs, including Michelin-starred and Food Network personalities, host events and dinners. Besides celebrating food and wine, the New York City Wine and Food Festival has a strong philanthropic focus, raising funds for hunger relief organizations. It's a unique opportunity to savor gourmet dishes, discover new flavors, and contribute to charitable causes. For the latest event details and ticket information, visit the official website in our helpful links section below. If you're enjoying our version of October and the City, let us know by smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. Now, back to autumn in New York with some cool jazz. The BRIC Jazz Festival is an annual event held in Brooklyn, organized by BRIC, a prominent arts and media institution. Known for its diversity, the festival showcases a wide range of jazz styles, from traditional to experimental, often featuring both established and emerging artists. Join BRIC on October 19th for the 9th annual BRIC JazzFest, a celebrated marathon jazz festival and one of BRIC's premier performing arts programs. This 3-day extravaganza unfolds across 2 stages, offering an eclectic blend of jazz legends and rising stars. In 2023, the festival breaks boundaries by fusing jazz with hip-hop, highlighting genre-crossing artists. Beyond captivating performances, the event includes a special panel discussion and film series, adding depth to the cultural experience. BRIC JazzFest continues to bridge musical worlds, making it a must-attend event for those seeking a dynamic fusion of jazz and contemporary influences. Be sure to mark your calendar for this musical journey through Brooklyn's vibrant cultural landscape. If you're into architecture and design, this one's for you. The Open House New York Weekend Festival is an annual event that offers unprecedented access to some of New York City's most iconic and intriguing architectural and design treasures. Founded in 2001, this weekend-long festival allows the public to explore spaces that are typically off-limits or not widely accessible. During the festival, visitors can take guided tours, attend lectures, and engage in interactive activities at a wide range of locations, including historic landmarks, modern skyscrapers, private residences, cultural institutions, and hidden gems. The festival showcases the city's architectural diversity and rich history while celebrating innovation and contemporary design. Open House New York has become a significant cultural event for those who seek to discover the hidden architectural gems that make New York City unique. Bushwick Film Festival. Established in 2007, the Bushwick Film Festival is a celebrated annual event in Brooklyn. This independent film festival provides a platform for emerging filmmakers to showcase their work to a diverse and engaged audience. The festival features a curated selection of independent films, including features, documentaries, shorts, and animations, often focusing on unique and thought-provoking narratives. Attendees can engage with filmmakers through Q&A sessions, participate in workshops and panels covering various aspects of filmmaking, and enjoy networking opportunities. The festival also emphasizes diversity and inclusivity in film and actively engages with the local community through outreach programs and educational initiatives. It's a cultural hub that celebrates storytelling through film while embracing the creative spirit of Bushwick. Ice skating. As the crisp air of autumn sets in, New York City prepares for a winter wonderland with its iconic ice skating rinks. In late October, both Bryant Park and Central Park usher in the skating season, allowing visitors to glide gracefully amid the backdrop of fall foliage. Then, in November, the world-famous ice rink at Rockefeller Center comes to life, framed by the towering Christmas tree and the glow of holiday lights. These rinks offer a quintessential New York experience, where locals and tourists alike come together to enjoy the timeless joy of ice skating. Whether you're a seasoned skater or a novice, these rinks provide a magical setting for creating lasting memories. For those seeking additional skating options, you can find more information in our helpful links section below. So lace up your skates, embrace autumn in New York, and revel in the enchantment of ice skating in the heart of the city. Next up, pumpkins and pooches. The 33rd Tompkins Square Halloween Dog Parade is a delightful and entertaining event that brings together the local community and dog lovers from all around to celebrate Halloween in a charming and furry way. It's a testament to the creativity and love shared between dogs and their owners. Held in Tompkins Square Park in Manhattan's East Village on Saturday, October 21st, the parade features dogs donning imaginative Halloween costumes. The event includes a costume contest with various categories and draws a large crowd of spectators and photographers. Registration is typically required for all four-legged participants. Beyond the fun and creativity, the parade has philanthropic elements with fundraising efforts supporting local animal charities. It's a heartwarming celebration of the bond between dogs and their owners, uniting the community in a whimsical Halloween spirit. Saving the best for last is New York City's 50th annual Village Halloween Parade, a cherished tradition with a rich history, set to enchant and inspire in 2023 with its theme, Upside Down, Inside Out. This iconic parade, founded in 1973, has been a source of Halloween magic for generations. This year's theme invites participants and spectators to reflect on the profound changes of recent times. As the world turned upside down, we collectively retreated inside, not just into our homes, but also into ourselves. We navigated a space between two worlds. Now it's a moment to emerge out into this new reality, but with newfound introspection. Who have we become? What do we aspire to be? These questions are beautifully mirrored in the parade's costumes. As always, the Halloween parade is a night of transformation, but this year feels even more profound, a time to embody our most authentic, dreamiest selves. So, on Halloween 2023, come join the parade and reveal your dreamiest, most authentic self to the world while celebrating the parade's enduring legacy. As the vibrant hues of autumn paint the city, New York in October is a captivating blend of culture, nature, and seasonal delights. From the mesmerizing fall foliage to the exciting events and activities, this month offers a unique experience in the city that never sleeps. Whether you're exploring the many festivals, savoring pumpkin spice treats, or skating on iconic rinks, the options are as diverse as the city itself. So, as you plan your October adventures in Gotham City, remember to like this video, subscribe for more insider tips, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all the incredible happenings of autumn in New York. Let us know in the comments what you're up to this October and how you're enjoying the colorful autumn vibes of New York City. We would love to know. Thanks for watching.